Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase thickness of grid lines in Excel. So firstly select is all rows and columns. Now click here and select all borders. Now click anyway. You can increase more size. Again select this all by clicking this corner and click here. Here you will see the option line style. So select this last one. This you can select one by one. Any particular area. Another option, select here and click on more borders. Here you can select another style, double line, then click on OK. Another way, click on this thick outside borders and click anyway. So this is the method guys. You can increase thickness of grid lines in Excel. Thanks for watching.